In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Big Cartel. Variants are useful when your product comes in different options like size, color, or style. First, log into your Big Cartel account and open your dashboard. Then go to the Product section and click on the product you want to edit or add variants to. Once you're inside the product page, scroll down to the Options area. Look for the section that allows you to add options or variations depending on your store setup. Next, click to add a new option. You can name it something like size or color. After that, enter the different choices such as small, medium, large, or red, blue, black. If needed, you can also adjust pricing or inventory for each variant, depending on what your store allows. Make sure each option is clearly labeled so customers don't get confused when selecting their choice. Once everything looks correct, click Save or Update Product to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully added product variants in Big Cartel, making your store more flexible and easier for customers to shop.